Welcome, Florida Beach Life. Yes, by yours truly, Marquise, aka Keys 85, Stoic and Resilient. What it is. Listen, y'all know how much I love Florida. Y'all know how much I love Florida. Look at this view, man. Look at this. It looks totally different from the sky. You know, I have a lot of clients over here, and it don't look like this when you're driving. It looks good, now don't get me wrong when you're driving, but when you see it from the sky, it's a totally different vibe. And I just be like, I'm this close to the water. Like it never like it's just crazy. I can't even much explain it. If you're a Florida person, you understand. It's just so freaking beautiful, man. The air is clean. I love the people here. Obviously, everybody not great. Blah 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 blah. But overall, it's just a peaceful state. It is what it is. You know, so please don't be in the comments like, well, no, it's this. Oh my gosh, it's bad people everywhere. Okay, jeez. But overall, I love me some Florida. I just love it. If you like the footage, comment, like, share with others. I just love Florida, y'all. I just love me some Florida. Oh, this is so beautiful.